Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today I have a grilled ribeye steak sandwich. I think you're going to like this one, so let's get started. So first thing we're going to start off with is our vegetable mixture. We got a small bowl over here that's got some spinach, and we're also going to add in one small sweet onion and one large tomato. I probably should have got a bigger bowl, but this is the biggest one I could find at the moment. Also got a small can of mushrooms. Then we're going to go ahead and hit it with some black pepper, some salt, and go ahead and get some olive oil in there. Then you want to go ahead and mix it up. What we have here is some tin foil that I sprayed with some Pam, and let's go ahead and pour that mixture in there. And I don't know if I mentioned before, but just make sure that you're generous with the spinach, because the spinach reduces a lot. But go ahead and get this folded up and leave a small opening at the top so it could vent. So here we have our ribeye steak. I coated both sides with a light layer of olive oil. Let's go ahead, some black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some pink Himalayan salt. Then we're going to flip it over and repeat on the other side. We want to put our vegetable mixture on the grill first because that's going to take longer to cook. Go ahead, set it in there, cover it, and that should take about 20 minutes. We're now going to go ahead and grill our steak to your liking. I like it to be medium, so I'm probably going to go about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. We're now going to go ahead and make a spread that we're going to go ahead and put on our sub roll. We got some mayonnaise in here, and we're also going to add in some mustard, yellow mustard. Also Worcestershire sauce. And then go ahead and mix it up. Now our steak is done. We're going to go ahead and start cutting it. Try to get it somewhat thin. Now we're going to start building our sandwich. First we're going to start with that sandwich spread mixture. Next we have our steak, some Colby Jack cheese, then our vegetable mixture on top. That way it'll really help melt that cheese. And here you have it, our grilled steak sandwich is done. I know what you're all waiting for, the taste test. Excellent. All those flavors blend together so nicely. I'm telling you, give this one a try. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching, and have a good one.